Well, happy Saturday night, you guys. I literally have posted on LinkedIn every single day nonstop for I think almost 2 years. So I couldn't let today go by without posting. I traveled to Boston today, here for the race, super excited, but I wanted to share something else really cool. And that is the timing. I told you guys I contributed a chapter to Scott McGregor's book, Standing O. And the chapter I actually wrote, the person I wrote about was my dad. And my dad is coming to Boston tomorrow night to be here for my race. And if you remember back, he was actually my first inspiration for running. He ran my first long distance race with me when I was 4 years old. I ran a 9.3 mile race and he was right there by my side. Every painfully slow little shimmy step that he did to keep up with his 4-year-old. So he has no clue that I wrote this chapter about him. And so when he gets here tomorrow night, I'm going to give him the book, let him read the chapter, and then I'll be running the marathon the next morning. So super exciting, kind of next level cool. I'm very looking forward to giving this to him and just the whole experience. The vibe here in Boston, and I've barely even gotten out there yet, is insane. People were questioning if it was going to be the same as it usually is, on the regularly scheduled date. And I think the answer is going to be yes.